On behalf of the team at Delkor, we are honored to accept the 2025 Innovation Award at the Partner Network Conference. One of the main challenges that producers face when operating conventional robotics is the speed versus payload boundaries that exist. In other words, there are robots that do a great job running light products at high speeds, and there are robots that do a great job of running heavy products at lower speeds, but there are not robotic solutions on the market that can cross those boundaries of speed and payload. We developed the Evo Case Packer to solve exactly that challenge. Evo is smaller, faster, and smarter than anything we've ever built before. The Smart Lock technology offers a red light, green light feedback system, so this machine can go between package formats in just 2 to 3 minutes. This versatility means that customers can install one line and tackle all of their case packing challenges. We've always pushed the boundaries of what's possible in packaging technology, and Evo is a result of millions of dollars of investment and countless hours of engineering development. All of this would not have been possible without the strong partnership between Delkor and Rockwell Automation.